Today I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread cupcakes with vanilla icing. For the cupcakes you will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of soft brown sugar, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Firstly, in a bowl to your sugar, add your margarine or butter and cream together until well combined. Then add your eggs and your golden syrup, and mix together until well combined. Then add your flour and again mix together until you have a nice batter. Then add your cinnamon and your ground ginger and again mix together until all your ingredients are well combined and you have a nice cake batter. Then to a pre-prepared muffin tray with cupcake cases, you simply want to spoon in your mixture into each cupcake case. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 16 to 20 minutes. Then for the icing you will need 200 grams of icing sugar, 90 grams of butter cubed and at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk. To your icing sugar add your butter, and you want to mash the butter into the icing sugar as much as it possibly can do to combine it. If you have a mixer, by all means you can do this in a mixer, it is much easier. However, if you don't, this is the way of making buttercream without a mixer. Another little tip is if you find that your butter is really hard to mash into the icing sugar, as long as your bowl is microwave proof, pop it in the microwave for 10 seconds just to help loosen up that butter to make it easier to mash. And then once it's as combined as it possibly can be, add your vanilla extract and give it a mix through. And then gradually add the milk, little by little. You probably won't need all the milk, but just add your milk little by little until you get the consistency of buttercream that you want. Like I say, you probably won't need all of the milk, but yeah, just a little bit at a time until you get that consistency. And then you want to top your cupcakes with your icing. I put my icing in a piping bag with a piping tip. However, you can just spread it on top with a knife or a spoon. And then I just simply decorated mine with gold stars because it looked pretty, but you do you. And there you have it. That's how you make gingerbread cupcakes.